Oh, hey, buddy.
What's up, buddy?
Today, we're going to start off by doing what I love most about modeling.
And what's that?
Well, taking a perfectly good model and just chopping it up.
Oh, yeah.
So, I wasn't really feeling the wagon. I hope you got some safety glasses on for a rat rod. So I decided to turn it into a truck.
A truck?
Okay. I used the back of the door frame as a reference to where I was gonna cut.
That makes sense.
So I got that all squared up, on the sides. I left a little bit more material on the roof.
Why?
So that I can get that nice and straight afterwards.
Wow, you really did just cut into it, huh?
Yeah,
I told you.
You literally cut it in half. Now I'm gonna go ahead and draw a straight line across the roof from the parts that I cut on the sides.
Wait, is that my...
Here we go.
Is that my Sharpie?
I'm not sure, but I'm leaning toward yes, it is your Sharpie.
Oh, so that's what we're doing now. We're just using people's stuff without asking, huh?
It's a Sharpie.
It's my Sharpie.
And it's dried up anyway. It will barely write.
What do you mean it's dried up?
I mean, last time I borrowed it,
what do you mean
think
last
I might have
time?
left the cap off. I don't know.
Huh?
Anyway, now I'm tracing the outline of the body onto this sheet of styrene so that I can make the back wall using this dried up Sharpie.
Ah, so you a comedian now.
I mean, I ain't trying to be, but if you're trying to say I'm funny, I'll take it.
You're not
Thanks.
funny. You're not funny at all.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and glue the back to the truck.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Trimming up the edges, making sure everything is nice and flush.
I need to flush you.
Huh?
Oh, nothing. I said, you made a truck too.
That didn't even make sense. Why would you say that?
Never mind.
So now I got a crude
recognize
back
that
window drawn. I wanted to make it kind of big because I wasn't going to put a hole in the roof.
Kind of big.
And I wanted all the light to get in there, So I wanted a big rear window. That was so random.
Yeah, whatever.
So yeah, now that I did all that, I'm going to start working on the bed.
Okay.
At first I wasn't going to use the fenders. And then I said I was. And then I said I wasn't. And then I finally decided that I was going to use the fenders.
Just make up your mind.
On the bed that I have to make from scratch. I'm just trimming them down to make them a little bit skinnier. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't need that fat fender, on a truck bed.
Yeah, exactly. Like,
it's just too much fender. And plus the wheels, the tires that I'm going to use are real skinny. So, okay.
Yeah.
So what's it gonna look like? I mean,
It's gonna look like a truck.
You already cut the back off, and now you're making a bed. What's it
Nah,
gonna look like altogether?
I mean, like an old truck.
Oh, okay. Now this is just a mock-up. I mean, it's not glued together or anything, and I still got to make a tailgate. I just put a piece of styrene on the back just to see how it would look.
Okay.
But you kind of get an idea of what I'm going after.
You still making it a woody though, right?
Oh yeah. Nah, it's still gonna be a woody. I mean, I gotta stick to the theme.
Okay.
If I take that element out of it, then it'll just be a truck. I'm gonna try to stick with the theme, so it'll be like, oh, he took this and made this, and blase blase.
It make a lot of sense.
Yeah, don't ever say blase blase again. You wasn't feeling that?
Nope.
So what I'm doing now, I got some plastic tube, and I put it along the bed rail, so that it'll look like the old trucks, how they got the bed rail and it's curled over.
My grandpa had a truck like that.
I put that on the bed rail, and then I grinded an angle on it, so it'll look like it's actually bent, but it's just ground down.
Good job.
It still look good though.
Facts.
So basically in this video I was just getting my hands dirty.
We're getting
chop it up, see where I was going with it, and
yeah.
So like, comment, subscribe, tell everybody, tell your friends. Peace.